Hello to my awesome teammates. I know I have been telling everybody how much I love Vizzlie, so I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on getting started with it. And if you have any questions, obviously you can message me, but sometimes it's nice to see a video. So when you first log into Vizzlie, you will create a new account and you will just sign in with your Facebook. And then if you are on my team and you can get this info from me in our group message, I will add you, or I have some shared templates, that I will share with you. So what you will do is go down to teams and then go to join create team. And here in the team code, I will send you a message on what to enter and you will click find team. Then you will find that you will be a part of our Color Me Fancy team. And then here under shared templates, you are going to see the templates that I've shared in here. So right now I just have two. I call the one the bokeh party and the other one the glitter party. And that is just based on the graphics that they use. So you will see here is a whole party's worth of posts. And then here in the glitter party, it's pretty much the same party, but with, here's some things I would even change. Anyway, it's pretty much the same party, just with different graphics. So these are basically a party in a box that you can pull into your own Vizzlie account. So what you will do is click pull into personal template gallery. And if you just want to see what they look like, you can even click preview posts. But so you'll click pull into personal template gallery. Then, when you're back on the regular Vizzlie page, here under planning, you can go to Facebook and you will see all your templates. So I have a bunch, and I'll get to that in a minute. But here is that original bokeh party and the glitter party. So then once they're in your own template gallery, you can, if you click, if you click right here, you can click preview post and you can preview pretty much what the post will look like on Facebook. And then what's cool is you can just keep clicking next post, next post, next post. So what's nice is you can decide like, oh, these posts that Victoria has are terrible. And you can change them for yours. And obviously some of my templates have my stuff. Clearly you don't necessarily want my video as an introduction. So once you've kind of read through the posts, what you'll do is when you click here again, you click edit. And then you can just edit every post and you can do whatever. You can change the time of day that the posts will go out. You can change when the posts will go out. So remember, Vizzlie is automatically posting these posts to your party for you. So you don't have to be online at that moment to remember to post them. Another awesome feature of Vizzlie is this text replacement. So you can see here if you put a word in little caret brackets. And let me just show you here when you go to preview post. It shows you all of them in yellow. Sorry. What's really cool is that you can type that into your party. And then when you are doing your party later, well, I'll show you how you can, the point is you can like have this as a template that you can just change these special words for every party. Okay, wait, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me get to that. Just remember this text replacement. We'll get there in a second. Okay, so once you set up your template, this is just, a template is like a rubber stamp, I think. It's kind of the basic outline that you can use for a party. You can always change your individual parties, and here is how you will do that. So like I said, you could already change this template, whatever. Then the next thing you will do is go to activities and go to Facebook events. Here is where you're going to see the events that you are a part of on Facebook. So on your upcoming events that you are not currently using Vizzlie for, you will see them down here and you can click track event. Then it will come up here into your events page. Then you'll be able to click open event, or you can click, I think you can double click them. And Right now, this would say resume automated posts. And right now it would be blank because you don't have anything in there. So you'll go to the bottom and click use a template. And then you would choose a template from your personal gallery and click load. Oh, the other thing is select the starting time for your template. This is your party date and time. Put your party date and time in there because the way the templates are working is that if you want something to go like 7 days early, 5 days early, the party time is still your start time. So then all your posts are going to show up right here in your event in Vizzlie. And again, what's so cool is you can go in and you can still preview and edit each post in the party. So like, for instance, I usually do that, like comment every episode, what TV show have you seen every episode of? But this particular party is a booking off another party. So I didn't want to do the exact same party. So I just changed the, here, let me go to the edit screen. I changed this particular post to say, which TV show is your guilty pleasure. So you can change the text, you can change the date and time that this post will go out. And then right here, you can click and pull an image from your computer. Or if you have already started organizing Vizzlie like I have, you can see that I have images saved into my Vizzlie account that I can use. And I have some organized and I have some less organized. So that's how you would edit a post. And then you would just click update. So yes, you can just do that for your whole party. Then once all your posts are in there, this will say resume automated posts. So you'll go to resume automated posts and then all your posts will appear here. What is so cool about Vizzlie is while the party is going on, so this party is active right now. That's why these are green. Those are posts that have gone out. While this party is going on, you can edit the posts that are still upcoming. You can preview whatever. You can also hurry, delay, and delete your posts. So if you choose to hurry them, you can have them all come 10 minutes sooner, a day sooner. If you want to delay them, you can delay them 10 minutes. So if your party is just kind of going awry a little bit, you can change those. I haven't really ever had to do that, but you can. Another cool thing I love about Vizzlie, and this will be good for you guys, especially when you're starting with my templates and you're going to turn them into your own. Let's say you have a party that you love. I love my graphics. I loved the timing. I loved the interaction. I can actually turn posts into a template. I can turn these party posts into a template. So that is how I ended up having so many templates. If you remember over here in my template gallery, the reason I have so many, look at this one, Glitter Party 2 Virginia, Pinky Glitter Party 6 days. These are parties that I had done that I liked, so I turned them into a template so I didn't have to you just don't want to keep reinventing the wheel. You want Vizzlie to do all this work for you. So the other thing with the events, so remember that text replacement I was telling you about. Let me just show you how that works. So your template, remember, had, I had hostess as a text replacement. So you can see all the different things that I had as text replacement. Hostess, date, shopping link, day after, time. I realize there's a few in here that I have, I need to put the day and the time so that I don't accidentally keep copying and pasting the wrong date. So all you have to do is click on this, and everywhere where I had that word hostess in those caret brackets, I just type the hostess's name and save, and then you will see, what was that? I think it was this or that hostess name. Let's see. Oh, preview post. In yellow, you can see that was where it used to say hostess in caret brackets, and now it says Paula. So that is the basic overview of Vizzlie. Please ask me any more questions. I will give you guys the team code. Oh, let me ask you one more favor. If you end up using Vizzlie and if you think that I helped you, here under referrals, I would totally love if you could put in my referral code, which I will clearly copy and paste for you as well if you need it. and you would type it in right down here, because that's awesome. Anyway, if you have any other questions, please let me know. I love Vizzlie. I know it takes a minute to get used to, but Vizzlie is the only reason why I can have so many parties going on at once. And then here you can see I have some old parties. You can choose to hide these events right there, hide event. I have them open because I was using them to, when like the new spring catalog came out or whatever, I was using them to schedule posts. Because here's another thing for me, sometimes I have free time at midnight when my son's asleep and everyone's asleep. Well, I don't want to post in my events at midnight. So I can choose to schedule a post in an event for a reasonable human time, not midnight. Another thing I love about Vizzlie is that you can do the same thing for your groups and your pages. I haven't done this yet, but I think I'm going to start because sometimes I do schedule posts in my group or event or in my group or my page, but I kind of forget. I think that having them all in Vizzlie would help you keep track of everything in one place. So anyway, I'll wrap up this video. Please ask me any questions. I love this so much. I feel like once you learn it, it can really work for you, and I would love to help it work for you guys. All right, thanks everybody.